What if you could finish a week's worth of research in just hours? AI research tools are no longer optional. They're the productivity engines of 2025. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 AI tools revolutionizing how students, professionals, and creators do research. From summarizing massive PDFs to generating citations, organizing knowledge, and writing better, we'll show you how these tools are changing the game. Let's start with a question you've probably asked. Perplexity AI, the AI research assistant. What makes Perplexity different from a regular chatbot? Unlike generic AI chatbots, Perplexity AI is built for one job: research. It searches the web in real time, pulls from live sources, and cites everything instantly. Ask it any question, and it doesn't just give you a generic answer. It breaks the answer down, shows you where it came from, and links directly to those sources. Whether you're researching a scientific theory or comparing business models, it acts like a personalized research assistant that never sleeps. And it's shockingly fast. Perplexity also offers something called Copilot, a mode that allows deeper multi-step exploration. Ask a question and it auto-follows up with related questions to dig deeper into the topic. This makes it perfect for students writing papers, entrepreneurs analyzing markets, or anyone trying to build a full picture from multiple angles. And here's the real benefit. You save time and reduce guesswork because you're getting trustworthy, citation-backed answers in one place. Notion AI. Turn notes into knowledge. Ever feel like your research notes just pile up into chaos? That's where Notion AI comes in. Notion was already a favorite for organizing notes, but the AI upgrade makes it an all-in-one knowledge companion. With Notion AI, you can summarize long documents, extract key points, and even generate structured pages from messy info. Let's say you paste in a block of interview notes. Notion AI can instantly convert that into a clean outline with themes, highlights, and action items. Doing a literature review? Paste the articles and let Notion AI summarize the key findings side by side, so you spot patterns without reading hundreds of pages. You can also ask it questions about your own notes. What did I write about market trends last month? It'll search and answer, just like an internal search engine for your brain. This transforms Notion into a second brain, not just a place to store knowledge, but one that helps you make sense of it and take action faster. SciSpace, the AI that reads research papers for you. Let's face it, academic papers are dense. Even experts struggle with technical jargon, confusing charts, and endless citations. SciSpace is an AI platform designed specifically to simplify this. You upload a research paper, and it becomes interactive. Click on a paragraph, and SciSpace explains it in plain English. Click on a math formula or chart, and it tells you what it means and how it's used. It's like having a professor sit next to you and translate complex research into everyday language. And the best part? You can ask questions in real time. What does this equation calculate? What's the main finding of this section? How does this relate to previous research? SciSpace responds clearly and concisely. For students, researchers, or anyone trying to understand academic content, this turns a painful task into a productive one. It's not just reading faster, it's understanding deeper without getting overwhelmed. Cite.ai. Smarter citations. Verified sources. What if your AI tool could tell you which sources are trustworthy and which are questionable? That's exactly what Cite does. While most tools help you generate citations, Cite goes further. It shows you how a paper has been cited by others. Was it supported? Disputed? Mentioned casually? This citation context is a game changer. Imagine you're citing a study about climate data. Cite will show you that 10 later studies confirmed it, but 2 disputed key claims. Now you can cite more responsibly, and even defend your research if challenged. It also gives credibility scores, lets you search by research strength, and integrates with your workflow tools like Zotero and Google Docs. And if you're writing an academic paper, Cite helps you auto-format citations, find related articles, and build a bibliography with trusted studies in seconds. It's research, but with critical thinking built in. Notebook LM, AI-powered research memory. Ever wish your research assistant could remember everything you've read and connect the dots for you? That's the magic of Notebook LM. Developed by Google, this AI-powered notebook lets you upload documents, PDFs, notes, transcripts, and then ask questions across all of them at once. Instead of rereading 20 papers to find one quote, you just ask, "What do these reports say about AI in education?" Notebook LM scans all your files and returns a summarized, citation-linked answer. It's like having a librarian, analyst, and writer in one window. And it's not just for academic research. Writers are using it to outline books. Marketers use it to analyze customer interviews. Consultants use it to generate slide decks from project reports. You can tag information, create highlight threads, and build a living memory bank that keeps growing and thinking with you. Notebook LM turns your notes into a searchable, contextualized knowledge graph. And the more you use it, the smarter it becomes. AI-powered collaboration. Smarter teams. Faster work research isn't a solo act anymore. And AI is now a powerful teammate. Tools like Notion AI and Google Duet AI let teams co-edit documents, summarize meetings, and assign tasks instantly. No more long threads or scattered notes. Imagine working across time zones. While you sleep, the AI highlights updates, flags contradictions, and drafts next steps for review. Even tools like Cogram turn meeting audio into structured summaries with action items, saving hours of follow-up. And for writing or editing collaboratively, AI can suggest consistent tone, find duplicate ideas, and help finalize drafts in real time. This transforms teamwork, from chaotic to coordinated. With AI handling logistics, your team can focus on big ideas and better outcomes. Bonus mentions. Quickfire round. Illicit. Helps you find relevant papers and extract key data in table form. Great for evidence synthesis. Consensus. Answers questions by summarizing scientific consensus from published studies. Chat PDF. Upload a PDF and chat with it like a person. Quick for contracts, manuals, or long documents. Why these tools matter in 2025. We're entering an era where information is no longer the bottleneck. Attention and comprehension are. These tools don't just gather data. They organize it, summarize it, compare it, cite it, and most importantly, they help you act on it faster. Whether you're a student, a creator, a developer, or an entrepreneur, these AI tools unlock focus, clarity, and speed. They extend your mind and free up your time. Final insight, ultimate payout. In 2025, productivity isn't just about how hard you work. It's about how smart your tools are. And with AI research tools like these, your brain just got an upgrade.